Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and this video is really interesting. I'm so excited for today's video because this video is about makeup related makeup information about Korean products. And yeah, so recently Yesstyle gave me chance to try some product from their website, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, then Yesstyle.com website is from Hong Kong, and this is online website where you can find your shoes, clothes, makeup, skincare, and so many things, and they deliver their product like everywhere, like every country. So that's really good thing about this website. And this is not my first time trying some product from Yesstyle, because I already tried this website and I bought some samples or something. I still have that video on my channel if you want to check out. And yeah, so this is like really sweet of them that they gave me chance to try their products. And I am always about trying new Korean makeup products and skincare products. Today in this video I'm gonna try all the best-selling product on YesStyleWebsite.com, and also mainly in Korea. Right now my skin looks terrible, I know, and mainly I get so many pimples around my period time. So last time I got so many pimples on my forehead, cheeks, chin, everywhere. So now my skin doing okay, everything is fine. So let's go ahead and do our makeup. So first product I'm gonna try is makeup base, and for this we are going to use this Etude House Double Lasting Serum Foundation. This foundation is the best selling one, and mainly Etude House, whenever you go in Etude House, some shade like already sold out. Etude House Double Lasting Foundation, matte foundation, is already so popular in South Korea and also other countries too. This is like their glowy version foundation, and this is popular too. And this is how this packaging looks like, and on the packaging it says Etude House Double Lasting Serum Foundation. My shade is Sand N05, SPF 25 PA double plus, dermatologically tested. So cost is about 18,000 Korean won, and I will link and I will put all the details about every product in my description box below. So this is how packaging looks like, and yeah, shake the bottle before use. This is the shade. It looks so bright, I know. It looks so bright, I know, but let's complete this application and see how it looks. Whenever you apply your foundation, well, it looks weird every time, but after, like, when you give some time to adjust on your skin, then it looks fine. So Korean road shop, foundation road shop like Etude House, Innisfree, Face Shop, Nature Republic, every foundation gets oxidized, so that's why people mainly go for one shade lighter. Coverage is light to medium, you can build it up. So this is how my foundation looks right now after like 2 applications, and I know it's like really looking like really light for me, but let's wait to complete this makeup and see how this will look. And this foundation is so glowy. I like the finish of this foundation. And for my second product, I chose like concealer. Of course you need concealer, especially me with pimple face. So my concealer today is Luna Long Lasting Tip Concealer, and this concealer is so popular. Like, I've seen like so many Korean YouTubers, Korean people, and I asked Olive Young attendants that which one is the best-selling one. They said like this one, and then I tried and I saw the coverage, and this is how this bottle looks. It's similar like a NARS concealer, and you have like this tip concealer. So this is in the shade 02 Natural Beige, and let's see how this will cover our acne. First acne scar is concealer shade is really good, but not sure about foundation. Oh my god, what? It concealed my dark circles. This concealer did a good job to hide everything. Oh my god, how it looks. And this is my first product from this brand. I wanted to try the foundation, but concealer, I asked them that concealer is best selling, so that's why I bought it, and really impressed by this. Oh my god, So after my second product, let's move on to third product. And for my third product is like this, like to powder my face and to set everything in place. So for this I chose Laura Cell Precious Skin Energy and mineral air size no sebum loose powder. And so many YouTubers talked about this powder, and my favorite one is Innisfree, but they talk like this is like better than Innisfree, and that's why I chose this. This is how the packaging looks like. It's like going everywhere. Smell nothing, which is really good. And let's set. Oh, it's really lightweight and it mattifies my skin, but you can still see the glow. It doesn't disturb any foundation. So let's move on to fourth product, which is like eyebrow, and I chose this Etude Drawing Eye Pro, and this eyebrow pencil is in shade 03 brown. I'm using Etude House Slim Eye Pencil, which is like super good, and this is my first time trying this. This is also best-selling. You can find like so many products, like I said, like one side we have a spoolie, one side we have actual product, and shade is okay. Like shade is matching my this original color, not this one. Doing my eyebrow with this is so quick, and brush is really good, better than my Etude House Slim Eye Pencil. Eyebrow is completed. Now let's move on to eyeshadow. So for my eyeshadow, I ordered this 3CE Maison Kitsune eyeshadow palette, and 3C, like, oh my god, people are crazy. Korean girls are so crazy about 3CE brand here. Everything, mainly every product is like out of stock. Every lipstick out of stock, every liquid lipstick out of stock, eyeshadow out of stock, and it's really hard to get these eye palette on Yesstyle too, because people are mainly crazy about 3CE in like so many countries, because their products are so really good. Little bit expensive. They have two shades in this palette, Freezing Step and I don't know other one. Mine is Freezing Step, and this is how it looks like nude palette. So I chose this because of warm shade there, and this palette has like 3 glitter shade, 2 really glittery shade, one is like medium glitter shade, and 3 shade are matte. And we also have one blusher, ooh, like champagne shade, peachy shade, wow, kind of everyday purpose color, more peachy shade. Whoa, this is so pigmented, oh my god, coppery gold shade. And then last we have brown. Brown is like, you can find brown shade in every palette. Blusher, which is like a peachy corally blusher. So yeah, so let's go with this shade first, and I'm gonna put this all over my eyelid. This eye palette is like everyday purpose. You can use this eyeshadow like every day. Let's use this shade, this beautiful shade. Oh, I'm gonna use this brush. I'm putting this like really close to my upper lash line, and same color I'm using in my lower lash line. For glitter shade, I'm going to use this one. Wow, this glitter is so like subtle, not like glitter and glitter. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm taking this dark brown shade, putting like here, upper lash line, and also dragging to my lower lash line. I'm using the same eyeshadow for my Yesstyle to highlight my Yesstyle. So this is my eyeshadow looks right now. So in this small palette, they put like every useful shade, like to highlight your Yesstyle, this shade, base color, brown color, shimmery shade, and everything. All color are so pigmented, and glittery shade are really beautiful, and base color are so pigmented. So now let's move on to eyeliner really quickly. And for eyeliner, I chose like TONYMOLY best-selling eyeliner. This their best-selling eyeliner, and I've used a similar eyeliner like this. But the problem with these eyeliner is they dry up really quickly. But I've heard like TONYMOLY is best-selling because this eyeliner doesn't get dry. So this is in the brown, dark brown shade, and this is how this color looks. Really dark brown. First I'm going to put this on my upper waterline like so. And it's not like drying really fast, which is really good. Come on. No. So this is my eyeliner looks right now. It's not really pigmented, obviously, like black. This is not a black color, this is dark brown. But after like 2 times, it will look really pigmented. First time, it's not like, it will give you like sheer coverage. But second time, it's look good. I like it after that. And it's so smooth, it glides on your skin, like on your eyelid, like really smoothly. So, and it will give you time to like make your eyeliner pretty and sharp. And yeah, that's what I like about this eyeliner. I'm gonna use this brown shade above this eyeliner. So after everything is done, like this is how my eyes look. I made a mistake here. So this is my eye makeup looks, but not completed yet. So for my mascara today, I'm gonna use this best-selling micro mascara by Innisfree. This is waterproof. This is Innisfree skinny waterproof mascara, Microcara, not mascara, Microcara, but this is mascara. I've never used any Innisfree mascara, but here they are so popular. This is the applicator. This is how applicator looks like, and really tiny. But they made this tiny so you can use like everywhere easily. So eye makeup is completed, and this is how my eye makeup looks right now. This is not a clumpy mascara, which is I really like. And with this mascara you can use on like every single eyelash. And next step is this contouring, and you obviously know like this product is popular not in Korea but so many countries. So this is how it looks like. This is Too Cool for School Art Class by Rodin contour kit. You have like 3 shades to contour your face: dark, medium one, and lighter one. First I'm gonna use these 2 dark shades, and let's put this here. And this is how my face looks with this product on, without this. So this is how my face looks after like using Too Cool for School contour kit. And I use like really lightly, and I'm going to use this medium middle one. Product is good, you will get 3 shades, and this is how my face looks right now. Now let's use this blusher. Oof. Wow, it's so curly. Wow, blusher is so good. I really like the blusher. It's so pigmented and looks super good on my face. With this eye makeup look, this blusher going like really well, and they put this blusher with these shades for a reason, to match everything. And yeah, so I really like this palette. My second last product is this is Clio Prism Air highlighter in the shade gold shade. They have another pink shade, and I chose this one because I like gold on my face. This is also best selling one in South Korea, so that's why. Oh my god, this looks so beautiful. One side mirror, and you have mirror when you have shade. Oh my god, this is so pigmented. First, let's put this on my nose. Before using this highlighter, my nose was hair. Now my nose is hair. And for highlighter, I never seen any really good highlighter in like Korean market, but I think this is my first really good highlighter from Korean brand, and I'm really impressed by this. Last step is obviously lipstick, and for this I chose 3CE Style Nanda Velvet Lip Tint. And lipstick and lip tints from 3C, like any product from 3C is so popular and it's really hard to get. So my favorite shade are always like sold out, but this is I also like this shade. This is Private, in the shade Private, and their other shade are also really popular. So I'm really into like really red shade these days, so that's why I chose this shade Private. And this is how the packaging looks like. Here it looks really maroon kind of, and here it looks red. Oh my god. Korean girls mainly wear these kind of bright reds here. And this is the best selling one and also best ever from this line. Applicator is really nice and color looks so beautiful, and it glides on my lips like so smoothly, and because of applicator like you can do your corners and everything so easily. So yeah, this is how my makeup look. This one is the last step, this one is the last product. So after completing everything, I think everything looks good and I like every product. And yeah, so far this palette is my favorite. Lipstick is favorite, and this one is favorite, and concealer is I like concealer and mascara. Not sure about this. This one is good, but I prefer black eyeliner more than brown, and foundation shade is a little bit light, and not sure about this, but I'm gonna use this in future and will tell you. And I also like eyebrow pencil. So yeah guys, this is it, and this is how my makeup looks after using all these bestseller Korean makeup. And let me know what do you think about all these product and my makeup, and let me know what do you want to try, what you have already tried in my comment section down below. And please check out Yesstyle. I'm sure you all in India, so many people already know about Yesstyle, but if you want to buy these products, then go on yesstyle.com and you can find like so many products, makeup products from Korea, Japan, and so many countries, and these are the best one, and you can choose other products too. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like this video. I will see you next time. Take care, have a nice day, bye bye.